Good morning, folks. Let me tell you some very important information that I found out with my experiences and the research. It is regarding the fan issues in Audi Q3. This is a Audi Q3 2017 vehicle. The vehicle was fine, working so fine without giving me any trouble. All those years, it has been working so fine, giving a very smooth drive. But suddenly, it gave me some issues in my air conditioner. Air conditioner was intermittently coming. Intermittently, hot air was blowing from here. So when I noticed that, I also noticed that my fan, one of my fan is working little harder, little louder. So I just check on them, right? When I check on them, let me show you here. When I check on them, let me open my hood. One of my fan was not working. So which fan it was? It was the bigger fan on the left side of the vehicle was not working. Only the left side, the small fan was working. Let me switch off my engine and show you better. Now I have done the repair, so both are working. I'm just giving you the information that will help you out. Here, so you can see there are two fans. One here, the other one is here, right? So only this small fan was working when this was not working. So small fan was trying to compensate the bigger fans work as well. So that's why it was giving me some noise, some louder noise while it was working. So what I did was, when I taken my vehicle to authorized dealers, Audi authorized dealers in my country, they remove this hood and everything. They had to remove this buffer and everything to reach to the fan. And then they told me, yeah, this fan is gone, it's worn out, and you need to replace it. And also they advised me to replace the both, because this fan also maybe the edge is now gone. You may need to replace it, but I just stick to replace one fan because it is little expensive anyway. After that, I was using my vehicle, and the vehicle was fine, working very fine. And after that, like 2-3 days, I again noticed my fan is working little louder, that I wanted to open the hood and see. When I opened the hood and see, yeah, no surprise, my small fan, this fan, the earlier it was working alone, now it's not working. When I just gave a push like this, it was sparking here. So again, I had to remove all these things. I had to pay for the labor, and I had to replace this fan as well. So it is important that if you having a fan issue, better to replace both at once. Otherwise, it will cost you for a labor twice, right? So these are the information that I wanted to tell you. If your car is switched on, and if your air conditioner is switched on, both these fans should be working. When your air conditioner compressor is engaged, both these fans should be working. If one of them is not working, you have to go check on them. There are a lot of things to check on the fan. It could be the fan relay, it could be the fan fuse, or it could be even most probably it could be even some issues in the motor of the fan. So in that case, you will have to replace them. If you replace one of them, better to replace the both, because one fan might have been working harder to compensate the other fan, so the fan has gone its full function as well. So therefore, this information I have been looking in the internet, Google and YouTube and the Audi forum as well. So there was no clear-cut information what happens. The baseline is that if you can hear your fan is working very loudly while you drive, which should not be, you better check your fan. One of fan may not be working. If the fan is not working, take your vehicle to the authorized dealers or somebody who should be skillful and check both of them. If one fan is gone, if you are replacing one fan, due to the fan issue, it's better to replace both. Otherwise, you will have to pay for the labor twice. Thank you very much.